Hi there, my name is Polina and I'll try to guide you through this single product management template. So it overall is like a dynamic approach to run product development in your company. So it consists of 3 levels. The first one is what we call product area. So you can use it or you can delete it, but overall product area, it's a category within a product where you combine all the related functionality. So for example, let's say we are going to improve the billing and there can be a lot of epics and features in there. Or you want to improve integrations and there will be also a lot of epics and features there that can be done to improve this particular product area. So it's just a nice way to group everything. So if I open a product area, I will see related epics here. So epics, this is like a large piece of work, and usually it's kind of even an initiative that you're going to run, you're going to improve, or you have a big batch of improvements, and epic can be decomposed into smaller features. So it just helps to organize and prioritize more complex projects and align with the team. So for example, here we have user authentication, epic, mobile payment integration, and notification system. We also have some planned ones like multi-currency support, subscription management. As you see, like here, epics are pretty broad, correct? So we have to define exactly which features have to be delivered with a user authentication epic. So what else do we know about the epic? I open the epic, for example, user authentication. I see the product area it belongs to. I see the state. By the way, all the states here are customizable. You can add yours. I see the dates, like when have we started, when do we plan to finish. I see the people who are responsible for this epic, so you can like assign users. And the progress. Progress is a formula which is calculated based on the number of done features. So if I scroll down a bit, I will see that we have 2 features planned here. If I move this one into the done, then my progress will be 50%. So it will be calculated automatically. And yeah, also inside every epic there is a document which is called description. Here you can briefly explain what this epic is about, how it has to work. Maybe you can also like write down some features you hope you will deliver. Others can comment because all the documents are collaborative ones and you don't have to switch to Confluence, to Notion, to Google Docs, whatever. And inside every epic you will find such kind of a table where you see which features are planned for this particular epic. So it has to be decomposed, so you can add a new feature here like this. Okay, you can also plan the dates, and we'll talk about features in the next step. So also, features, the feature is a specific functionality which you deliver, and it will bring value to your users. So if I open, I don't know, 2-factor authentication feature, I see which epic it belongs to. I see the state. Feature states are a bit different from the epic who's responsible. Here we also use ISO score for prioritization. So you can define impact, you can define confidence, you can define ease, and it will calculate you the formula, the final score. So it will be like multiplication of confidence, impact, and ease. It will also have its own specification inside, correct? Because it will be a more detailed one, how this feature has to behave. You can also upload files, you can also load comments, and that will be the last part of our building blocks. But of course you need not only such kind of detailed visualization, yes, like product area, epic, feature, we also need an overview. So this overview you can find in the left menu. So here, with epics and product areas, you can simply, it's just a nice place to add new product areas. Epic board, it's even not a Kanban, this is just a board where you're able to see all the epics. And on the epics, you will see who is working on them, which product area it belongs to, all the features, and the progress as progress bar. So here in the Fields tab, you can customize how the card will look like itself. And by the way, remember we added new feature back then. You can see it here as well. In the feature backlog, this is our table. As you see, new feature here is already, because it doesn't matter where do you add new feature or new epic. I mean, you can do this in the table, you can do this from the epic, anywhere. It will appear everywhere as well. And here it's also nice to apply some details, so we could have the ice score calculated, and as you see there is a sorting applied by the ice score, so most important features will be on the top. Across the time, I definitely recommend you to apply a filter to exclude done filters. Done features. So like we didn't see something that is delivered already in our backlog. But for better visibility, we'll keep it for now. For features, we also have a board, because here you can also like drag and drop and move features across the states. And there is also a roadmap where you can plan your features on the timeline. You can drag and drop them. You can also find here new features, which you can also like plan across the time like this. You can resize and define what do you want to see. And you can also for sure create new ones directly here. And of course, if you open the card here, you will see it on the right. It's the real one, not just a static image. What else can be done is that you can also use whiteboard for brainstorming. So for example, if you want to decompose epic into features with your teammate on the brainstorming session, you can do this, because here you can also show the real cards like this. And let's do something this card says: convert sign up box into a real feature. So there is a sign up box, there is convert to entity button. I want to make it a feature, correct? So ta-da, now I have a sign up feature. It's a real one. It belongs to this epic because we had an arrow here, and I will see it in my feature backlog as well, because remember, it doesn't matter where have you created it. So if you have any questions, you can also check out this document. A lot of text, not that much, but still. And of course, let me remove my face. There is help and support buttons, human support and AI support. AI is trained on our user guides, so it will be helpful to ask questions like how to make a formula, how to work with boards, how to create a timeline, or human support if you get stuck and you want real humans. Like, there are no chatbots, no AI there, just real humans willing you to help. Thank you so much for the watching. Have a great day.